Retinol Serum Benefits and Review. Benefits. Retinol is the #1 dermatologist recommended skincare ingredient. Potent, it's safe for daily use. Diminishes the look of deep wrinkles and sun damage. Advanced Clinicals, Retinol Serum, Anti-Wrinkle Review. Description: Antioxidant Green Tea. Anti-Wrinkle. Potent anti-wrinkle concentrate. Encapsulated retinol effectively fights the look of wrinkles. Nourishing Aloe Vera and Green Tea. Glycerin attracts moisture to the skin for a plump appearance. Aloe Vera defends against visible redness and irritation. Antioxidant Green Tea guards against environmental damage. Retinol corrects the looks of deep wrinkles and jowls. Visibly replenishes volume to mature skin. Improve the look of sagging, sun-damaged skin. Suggested use: after cleansing, allows skin to dry completely. Gently pat retinol serum over face, focusing on problem areas. Wipe any excess on tops of hand, as they are often exposed to sun damage. Allow several minutes to absorb. Follow with moisturizer. Use every night before bed. Redness, tightness or flushing may occur. This is normal and means the product is working. If irritation persists, reduce frequency of use to every other night. Gradually increase use to every night as tolerated. As with any product, if rash develops, discontinue use and consult a doctor. Warnings. Caution: for external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. If products enters eyes, flush thoroughly with water. If accidentally ingested, contact a physician. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.